right now. You want the gun or this?
Holy shit.
You're giving me.
It's well worth the job, but it's gonna hurt like a fucking bitch.
I'm waiting for him to miss that now.
Come on. I'm running out of film here. Ready?
Oh my God.
Ready? Ready? Say when.
No.
Say when.
I can't watch. Oh my God.
Say when.
You can't jerk your ear.
Dude, give
Don't
me a...
jerk your head when that nail
Get
goes.
a towel. Get
What
a
do you
towel.
He's gonna cry.
You're a
He's got to pull the mouth back out.
Go. Say go. Pull out. Oh my God. Ready? Ready?
Get a towel.
Ready? Say when. Say when. Say when.
One down. There you go. Win. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm fucking doing it.
That's the deal. How do you get it out? How do you get it out? You okay? I'll help you. Come here.
Hey, you're a fucking trooper, Bird.
Hey.
It ain't even tight yet. Pull it out. Move.
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
Hey, no, hang on. You got a sawzall?
I do. Fuck that. Washer.
Hang on.
Go down with it. Shit.
Get a sawzall.
No,
hold
on. It'll burn it.
Listen to me.
Oh my God.
It'll burn it. Yeah, it'll get hot.
There's the nail. Do the nail, not the washer.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Send me in there. I'll get it out.
Get a fucking
Oh, motherfuck. We're trying to get
Oh,
out.
don't pull me. Ow, you're fucking pulling me.
You got it, man.
There.
Come on, just stay tough.
Get the washer now.
Stay tough, Bird.
Get the washer now, Michael.
Listen, guys. Get the head. That's the best part right here to me. Dude, listen. It ain't gonna come out.
Deep breath, brother.
Ready?
Deep breath. Relax.
It's coming.
Relax. Deep breath. You just gotta relax, dude. Yeah, just deep breath.
Coming, man.
Almost. The nail gun would have found that.
Yeah, that nail gun.
Come on.
You need something behind it. That's a long nail. Yeah. Get something to put behind the head of the hammer.
More of a fulcrum. Yeah, give me a piece of 2x4 or something.
Get something. Right, put behind it. There.
You're a fucking man, dude.
Fucking 2x4.
You're a fucking man, right? You did the head. You know you did.
Stop it. You lost it. Dude, you're
All right, ready? Ready? Here.
Reach to your ear.
You're being internet singing, celebrity.